We went over this in the last call, right? We spoke about the downside pressure for the greenback, and I wrote up all of the factors there. You know, I'll just remind you again, just because some people might want to take some notes. Okay, it was the Biden effect. Okay, so smooth transition from Trump. So Trump's obviously he's thrown his toys out the pram, right? In trying to say the election was rigged, so on and so forth, calling it you know, whatever, calling it a fix, this, that, and the other. So markets are worried. Okay, Trump's going to try and go down the legal route, but he's accepted. Look, a transition needs to take place now. So less political mess, which is good for risk appetite. It's good that we're not going to have all this mess between Trump and Biden. So the Biden effect, this is good for risk appetite, negative for dollar. As we spoke, vaccine optimism. Okay, vaccine optimism. That's helping dollar weakness, forcing dollar weakness. And then FOMC, I'm going to go over that in a moment. We'll talk about that. FOMC, central bank. What else? There's another thing, Yellen, which I spoke about last week. I'll just put it there. Don't worry about that because it's fiscal stimulus. Fiscal stimulus incoming Jan. I think that's everything that I wanted to know in terms of dollar. Okay, so these are all of our reasons as to why dollar's selling off. Let me just make that a little bit bigger. Okay, so this was a bad monthly performance for the greenback, obviously heavily in the red for the month of November. Right, on the weekly, as I explained last week, we broke out of this sort of range structure here, right? We broke out of this, we retested, we had this period of consolidation around this 92.50 area for the dollar index. And for anyone that doesn't know, the dollar index is, you know, a basket of 6 currencies versus dollar, heavily euro weighted. Euro makes up over some 55% of the dollar index. So anyway, typically when we're seeing this fall, we're seeing the dollar's peers, i.e. euro, GBP, Aussie CAD, so on and so forth, advance versus the greenback, versus the dollar. So that's exactly what we did see, right? So that dollar downside coming into play, as I explained before, you know, the price action very reminiscent of here, sort of 2017 period, and then inviting that downside pressure, and we expect that to continue to remain the case.
Hey guys, if you're enjoying the content, please join the Ken Zen community for exclusive premium content, educational, trade ideas, and much more provided exclusively by myself, KenFX Freak. All you have to do is click the link below to find out more information. This content will help you move to the next level in becoming a profitable trader. Well, what are you waiting for? Sign up via the link below, or you can find the link in the bio.
Thank you.